Hello everyone, I am excited to present our work, Catalyst4D, High-Fidelity 3D-to-4D Scene Editing, via Dynamic Propagation. The core contribution of our work is a unified framework that transfers high-quality static 3D edits to dynamic 4D Gaussian scenes. It achieves precise spatial modifications and temporally coherent motion, without relying on unstable 2D video diffusion priors, while 3D Gaussian splatting has enabled incredible static scene editing. Extending this to dynamic 4D scenes remains highly challenging. Existing methods typically adapt 2D diffusion models to 4D representations. However, because 2D edits operate purely in pixel space, without explicit geometric reasoning, they often lead to spatial distortions, temporal flickering, and unintended changes in unedited background regions. The main challenge lies in motion propagation. If we simply reuse the original 4D deformation network on newly edited Gaussians, it results in severe motion artifacts. The network was trained exclusively on the original geometry, meaning it lacks the necessary motion priors for the newly introduced or modified Gaussians. To address this, our key observation is that we can decouple spatial editing from temporal propagation. Instead of relying on unstable pointwise correspondences or retraining the deformation network from scratch, we found that the underlying object structure can be captured by a sparse set of spatially representative anchors. By matching these anchors between the original and the edited Gaussians in the first frame, we can establish reliable, region-level correspondences. This allows us to transfer the correct motion trajectories to the edited scene, effectively preventing cross-region interference and motion drift. Based on this observation, Catalyst4D introduces a two-step propagation framework. The first module is anchor-based motion guidance, or AMG. Given the edited Gaussians in the first frame, AMG extracts structural anchors and uses optimal transport, specifically the Sinkhorn algorithm, to establish robust, region-level correspondences with the original scene. This ensures that the edited Gaussians inherit semantically correct deformations over time. The second module is color Uncertainty-guided Appearance Refinement, or CUAR. Even with perfect motion, occlusions can cause color artifacts as the sequence plays. CUAR quantifies the temporal reliability of the appearance by estimating per-Gaussian color uncertainty. It then selectively refines these uncertain regions by warping the highly reliable first frame edits. This automatically corrects occlusion-induced artifacts and ensures stable appearance propagation. Now, let's look at the results. Catalyst4D supports a wide range of edits, from localized object modifications like clothing changes to global artistic style transfers, on both monocular and multi-camera datasets. Quantitatively, Catalyst4D consistently outperforms state-of-the-art methods like Instruct, 3D-to-4D, Instruct4D, and Control-D. It achieves the highest clip similarity, indicating superior semantic alignment with user instructions, while maintaining highly competitive temporal consistency. Qualitatively, while competing methods often cause unintended modifications to non-target regions or produce blurry results due to 2D to 4D modality gaps, Catalyst4D demonstrates precise, localized editing and perfectly preserves the unedited background. We also conducted extensive ablation studies to validate our design choices. When evaluating the anchor-based motion guidance, we found that relying solely on a k-nearest neighbor strategy, or directly applying the original deformation network, leads to unnatural geometric distortions and motion entanglement across different semantic parts. AMG effectively prevents this by using optimal transport on structural anchors. Furthermore, removing the color uncertainty-guided appearance refinement results in visible flickering and anomalous colors in dynamic regions, especially in areas that were initially occluded. CUAR successfully identifies and suppresses these artifacts, significantly enhancing the overall visual fidelity. To conclude, here are the three main takeaways from our work. First, directly applying 2D diffusion to 4D scenes causes instability. Instead, decoupling high-quality static 3D edits and propagating them dynamically yields far superior spatio-temporal coherence. Second, our anchor-based motion guidance provides a robust, region-level solution for transferring deformations to edited Gaussians without motion drift. Third, color uncertainty-guided appearance refinement effectively resolves occlusion-induced artifacts, ensuring temporally stable rendering. This concludes the presentation. Thank you for listening.